Salesforce Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're going to review the Salesforce Affiliate Program. You'll find the links to the products in the description below, so make sure to check them out after watching. Salesforce is one of the most well-known CRM, customer relationship management platforms in the world, designed for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. It's a comprehensive tool that helps businesses manage sales, marketing, customer service, and more all in one platform. With features like automated lead tracking, customizable dashboards, email marketing tools, and AI-powered analytics, Salesforce truly offers a powerful solution for streamlining business operations and improving customer relationships. The platform is particularly well-suited for sales teams, marketers, and customer service departments, helping them collaborate effectively and deliver better customer experiences. Now, let's talk about the Salesforce Affiliate Program. This program is ideal for anyone in the business software, sales, or marketing niches. If you have an audience of entrepreneurs, business owners, or sales professionals, this affiliate program is a great fit. The program offers high-ticket commissions, making it a lucrative option for affiliates. Salesforce provides recurring revenue for referrals, so you can earn commissions for as long as your referred customer stays on the platform. What makes the Salesforce Affiliate Program stand out is its reputation. Salesforce is a trusted brand in the industry. Affiliates can take advantage of this trust to easily promote the product, and they have access to great marketing resources provided by Salesforce. With banners, email templates, and other promotional materials, affiliates can quickly start earning without much hassle. The platform is also supported by reliable tracking, so you can see your clicks, conversions, and commissions in real time. In conclusion, if your audience is looking for a CRM solution to scale their business, the Salesforce Affiliate Program is a top-tier option with generous commissions and reliable tracking. Check out the links in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.